We all know Väderstad for its high quality and groundbreaking innovations. There's the machines and also the wear parts. For years, other companies have had an eye on this Swedish success story, and they've wondered, what's their secret? I went to Väderstad Components to get the lowdown. This place blows me away, watching the construction of genuine parts right before my eyes. It really is an extensive process to manufacture these wear parts. And then I met Magnus Samuelsson. He's a concept developer here at Väderstad. He wanted me to know that this is just the tip of the iceberg. Every wear part is the result of innovation, research, testing, and development. From the drawing board to use in the field is a long and complex journey. Magnus takes the cross-cutter disc as an example. It's a unique Väderstad innovation that was designed to meet the farmer's need to improve field hygiene with ultra-shallow tillage. You need patience, accuracy, and know-how to take on a challenge like that. The first sketch isn't usually a visual masterpiece, but it's soon transformed into a digital CAD sketch. Then come calculations and modifications until it's time for Väderstad's skilled engineers to produce a prototype in the workshop. The first prototype, and it's definitely not the last, is carefully reviewed, measured and tested several times, both in the lab and in the field. Needless to say, the farmers are essential partners in the whole development process. Finally, the disc is ready. It has the perfect shape and the right properties, but Magnus tells me that it's too brittle. And now, Väderstad's metallurgist gets to work. Meet Anders Pettersson, one of Sweden's most skilled metallurgists, specializing in steel for agriculture. He tells me that all genuine parts are manufactured from Swedish steel from SSAB, and all the discs from Väderstad's own unique steel, V55. The steel in a wear part doesn't only need the right hardness, but also the right toughness. Finding the right balance between these two is a science in itself. Naturally, this means plenty of further tests in the lab and in the field. So, now we know that it takes a lot of effort and time to develop an innovative product from idea to practical use out in the field. And just look at the result. The cross-cutter disc is not just a piece of steel. It's the result of innovation, know-how, and testing. It's engineered for professionals.